Understanding cross-selling and upselling concepts. In this section, we'll delve into the fundamental concepts of cross-selling and upselling. These techniques are essential for increasing your revenue and enhancing your customers' overall experience. Cross-selling. Imagine you walk into a shoe store to buy a pair of running shoes. The salesperson, however, suggests a high quality pair of running socks that perfectly complement your shoes. This is cross selling in action. It's the art of offering customers additional products or services that are related or complementary to what they are already purchasing. The goal is to make the customer shopping experience more convenient and valuable. Upselling. Now, picture this. You're booking a hotel room online. As you make your selection, a pop up appears, suggesting an upgraded room with more amenities for just a little extra cost. This is upselling. It's the practice of persuading customers to choose a higher priced or upgraded version of the product or service they originally intended to buy. It's a win win situation. Customers get more value, and you can increase your sales and revenue. Understanding these concepts is the first step in creating effective marketing strategies. When done right, cross selling and upselling not only boost your bottom line, but also improve your customer satisfaction. These techniques are about helping customers discover additional value, making their lives easier, and ensuring they leave with a smile. In the following sections, we'll explore how to identify opportunities for cross selling, craft effective upselling strategies, and ultimately grow your business with EzyCourse.